No.
I like to party. What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about how my team helps me behind the scenes. You guys are in for a treat today because Paola is extra spicy today. And we're going to let you see how it is behind the scenes when it comes to dealing watches and having black eyes.
You have a great house.
Not presentable. I
than
don't
mine.
want to be in camera. Oh, let's just show her.
Let's just remind everyone who the best
God.
boy dancer was in 1994 at Holiday Hill Day Camp in Connecticut.
When everybody got trophies.
No.
Because this is what they do in this country.
No.
Oh, you were 10th place. Here is your trophy.
No, in 1994, that was prior to everybody getting trophies, Paola.
Yeah.
When you were the best, you got a trophy.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
How old were you? 5?
1994,
Yeah.
I was 9.
You know what happened?
What?
The judges probably said, oh, we cannot break his dreams. We have just to let him continue thinking he is the best. You know, that's what I used to do with my students. Yeah, no, I cannot break your dreams. Keep going.
No, Paola, this was long before the softening of the American culture. Okay? Just so you know. Also, I have a serious question for you.
Uh-huh.
How did I get my black eye?
Jiu-jitsu.
Was that what she said this morning, Matt?
Jiu-jitsu.
No.
What did she say?
No.
Be
My
careful.
knee.
Be careful because you want yours.
Yeah. That looked good.
Was that a threat?
Be careful, man.
I got 2 knees.
Didn't she?
With my left.
Didn't she say that I stepped out of line?
I heard it.
Get in line.
I'm gonna back the man dimes here.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, Man Dime Thursday,
You know
Paola.
what? I don't know about this. Where's Mary Joy? We need her. I need her.
No.
2v1 right now.
No.
2v1.
We're sourcing 4 watches.
Uh-huh.
Oh, what 4 watches are we sourcing?
The Santos Cartier, the silver diamond 116223. We are sourcing the 228235 Rolex brown stick, and we are sourcing the 15510 OR.
Oh, okay. So, in reality, not in TikTok land, if a dealer needs a watch, you put a call out into our dealer network, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So,
Okay.
did you get any responses?
Yes, I got 2 responses. I'm waiting for more. Let's go, people! Are you still sleeping or what?
What does the emoji mean?
Yeah, what happens?
Emoji.
What happens if they don't respond quickly, Paola? Knee them. Douche. I'm just gonna flip the camera around real quick just to remind everyone what it looks like.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
We are.
This is confessions right here.
Tell the truth. So let's go with the appraisals. Let's move forward.
Okay.
Because we're waiting for people to reply. Obviously, everybody's sleeping.
Right.
So we're gonna go to appraisals, and then the listing we're gonna leave it. I still have to find the jumbo thing pictures.
For the pictures, right?
Got your systems?
Yep, this is a system. I just kind of did some homework, writing down some information so we can enter it in correctly.
The system's called How to Make an Appraisal.
Okay, appraisal system. Okay, so in here we have the digital copy that instead of me typing it to save time, we're gonna come over here and we're gonna log in. We're gonna come over here to where watches are, and we're gonna find him.
You're not being abused, right, Matt?
Oh no,
Oh.
never.
Okay.
Oh, very good job. Good answer.
What happened?
I like my eyes.
Super.
What happened?
I got a big date this weekend.
What happens?
Oh, you have a date? That has a date.
What happens if you don't feed her
we need
chocolate
to talk
cake?
about this. This is important information. So, you have a date? No. He has a date. Is this a girl from the gym? Or is
You
it...
can't assume
No.
that the gender that he likes is female, Powell. It's 2025.
Yeah.
You said you were a teacher.
We're like Elton John here. We
Yeah.
swing both ways.
So
Yeah.
Command C.
Command C.
Okay, so now the girls from the vlog and everybody, Matt is available looking for dates.
DMs are blowing up.
Yeah. Oh, Matt, give me your number.
Matt, what happens if you don't feed her chocolate cake?
Yeah, the beast comes out. The
Kraken.
beast comes out.
What's that sound, Paola? Oh my God.
I'm so hungry right now. I need a break for lunch. No break until 1 o'clock.
You think you get breaks at Warrior Time?
No break.
This is a
What are you
sweatshop.
looking for?
Back to work.
Oh, it's way over here, yeah.
Yeah, right
That is,
there.
email.
Email, so you got the email already. So you need the phone number, which is this one. So go in there, double click it. You can double click it. No, you have to select it, otherwise it's not gonna copy anything. Yeah, right.
Gradually. So how would we do that? This is my new recommendation that I've noticed you're not doing yet. Implement a nurture sequence automation flow. So this is about warming the audience gradually. So the nurture sequence that we should implement is an
Double box.
Double boxed.
I love the double box.
Smart.
Smart. Yeah. Double box, double label. Very good.
Dull blade.
Dull blade. Super dull.
Excellent trophy.
I couldn't ask for a better trophy.
Yeah.
To be in front of me.
Right? Just kind of reminds you.
Excellence.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're
Keep it
unboxing
down over there, Paola.
an engagement ring that we sold to one of our clients. And bag. Double boxed and bag. Very good. Paperwork.
Ooh. He said he gave us a better cut. What D is it? D.
D color.
Yeah, he gave us a better cut.
That's good.
It's pretty.
Yeah, very pretty.
Big side,
It's a nice touch.
Good job.
Paola, thick is better than thin.
Good job. Good job.
Did you have anything to say about that?
Just a little too thick.
It's a little too thick?
Yeah, look at this. No, you did excellent for your first time. And without me supervising you.
It's not upside down.
Uh,
A little crooked.
yeah, this one was great. I could tell which one was the first.
Which one was the first? No, that was the first.
Really?
Yeah.
You pumped too much in here.
I got excited.
What the heck is this?
You're slipping.
2 pumps.
You're slipping, Paola.
2 pumps and then let's get happy.
2 pumps.
2 pumps and let's get happy. Good job, Paola. Really good job.
Thank you.
I must say, I'm very impressed.
This is how I train.
Keep them in
Yeah,
line.
help them. How
Yeah.
are you? What is this? I don't want to see this. Okay, guess what? All up to date.
Do you have anything else to say, Paola?
No, gracias. Okay, enough.
Did you tell them that what you got in your wrapper today? Your Tootsie Roll wrapper?
Yes,
Did
I'm
you-
surprised.
Did you
Go
throw
ahead,
it out?
show us.
Oh,
You
Here.
threw it out?
No, here.
yes.
Here's right here.
Yes, no, it's right here. Wait. Where's my? Oh, the red one. Here.
Found it.
Here. Should I cut it?
The Indian. No,
My
you gotta leave it full.
ancestors. Where's my where? Where's my where are my scissors?
It's just a live action look at dealing with Paola on a daily basis.
I got an ancestor.
An ancestor?
My ancestor.
You got your ancestor?
Yeah.
Well, can you show us?
Right here.
What's the right way of saying that?
Ancestor.
Ancestor?
Dum 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 dum.
Jesus Christ.